Hi guys, I'm Stacy from Anest, Iwata. I'm about to talk to you about the Australian compliant AF2100 Airfed Mask that we sell. So I'm about to unbox it for you right now. So this is a resealable unit, so once you've done with it for the day, you can put it back in the box. Alright, so it comes with the hood, and all the diffusers and everything in there. The belt, the gun hose, instruction manual, test record, and there'll be a certificate of compliance in there as well, back there. There's a nape cover as well, probably not necessary if you're wearing a full hood. We've also added the belt hook as well for this demonstration. So once you're finished with the hood, you can put it onto your belt, which I'll look at right now. Okay, so to utilize the breathable air, you need to obviously have a breathable air system going in place. So your compressor might have a dryer, which will obviously take out some of the moisture, but it doesn't take out all the impurities. So our three-stage system is compliant. This is your moisture regulator. You've got your coalescer and your charcoal filters, which obviously purify the air for you to essentially breathe. You plug your airline, which is also moisture-resistant airline, compliant as well. Plug that into the belt. Then we have the hood, which you're going to need to set up to your own head shape. Okay, so this is the mask. You would put your tear-offs on there as well. Okay, so throw the Airfed mask on. The push-in feature. And that's to adjust or to loosen off.
So to continue on with what Stacy has told you about the fitting, using this as your first fitting point, there is actually 3 other fitting points. So we've got this one here, which just adjusts the width and height of your head. So you can just pop that out and then move that to adjust that circumference. And then we have these adjusters on the side, which wind out. And the reason for this is that, say for argument's sake you wear glasses, well then you're able to slide the mask back so that you've got more room at the front, and then you retighten. So you can see this little track in there, and that can be pushed forward and back to allow yourself some more room. And the other point of adjustment is when you're wearing it, that you can flip it up like so. And that covers all of the adjustments on the mask.
Now I have breathable air in my mask. Whippos for the gun. Okay, so just to be clear, this is the gun hose, just a flexible hose that connects to the belt. This is your flexible, what we call a whip hose for the gun. Okay, so another commonly asked question is, well, when you're getting paint on your visor, obviously it's kind of ruined. So we do offer tear-offs. You get one with every kit, and it literally just locates into the pins. Like so. And that protects the visor from any overspray that you might get while painting. It preserves the visor itself. Okay, so all of the purchasable parts of the kit are obviously the Airfed mask itself, but you can also purchase the 10-pack of tear-offs and hygiene kits, visors if you do feel the need to replace the visor, maybe after a few uses. Alright guys, so I hope that's been informative for you all. If you do have any other questions, just drop them in the comments and we'll be sure to answer any other questions. Thank you.